what I was saying.
So, did you hear that?
Yeah.
Oh, here it goes again.
What is it?
What's that?
Let's go see in the garden.
Okay, let's go. Woo.
Ah!
Wow!
Fireworks!
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 Whoa!
Whoa!
Oh, did you see that one?
Yeah! Cool!
Cool.
I love fireworks. Oh, it's finished.
Oh no.
Well, let's go back. Let's talk about fireworks.
Okay.
Now, fireworks have different shapes.
Oh yes.
Now, look at this one.
Oh, it's kind of like a circle.
Yeah, like a ring. Like imagine
Okay.
a ring on your finger.
A ring.
A ring.
A ring.
It's a ring.
Yeah.
Now, oh, this one.
Oh, it looks like a tree.
Yeah, like a palm tree.
A palm tree.
Like a palm tree. So that's a ring.
Ring.
That's a palm.
A palm.
Now, oh, this is also like a tree. It's a willow.
Oh, a willow.
A willow, like
A
the tree.
willow tree. A willow.
Now, oh, this is called a serpentine.
Serpentine. Serpentine.
Oh, this one looks like a flower. It's called a pistil.
Pistol.
Yeah.
Pistol.
And this one is round.
Okay.
A roundel.
A roundel.
A roundel.
A roundel.
What is your favorite shape?
My favorite shape is the serpentine.
Ah,
It goes.
interesting. Okay. Well, my favorite shape for fireworks is the ring. I
Okay.
love the ring. I love it.
Okay.
Hey.
No, I like the serpentine.
Olivia,
Yes.
a firework makes psst.
Yeah.
No.
No, it goes. Bang.
Oh, yes!
Good bang, huh?
Let's make a bang.
We can make a bang.
Oh, yeah. Before we make a bang, Olivia, can you draw a firework?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Wait.
Oh, okay. Yes.
Here I have the picture, the drawing of a firework.
Okay.
Ask me, what color is this firework?
What color is this firework?
This firework is blue and red.
Oh, so I need red and blue.
Okay, and ask me, what shape?
What shape is this firework?
Well, this firework is a willow.
Oh.
A willow.
So it's not the ring. It's not the paw. Ooh, the willow.
Go,
Okay,
let's
okay.
see. Oh. Okay, interesting. Okay. Okay, so this firework is blue and red,
Yes, blue and
and
red.
it's in the shape of a willow. Ready to see?
Look,
1,
2.
3. Oh!
That's good, huh? Oh,
Excellent.
I forgot the. Okay.
Excellent job, Olivia. Okay, now let's make a bang.
Okay, great.
To make a bang, all you need is a piece of paper.
Paper?
Yeah, paper. You don't see, it's very loud. Okay, so be careful.
Okay.
Now, you take your piece of paper and you fold it in two. You
Oh,
fold.
so like this way.
Yeah,
Okay.
the long way.
The long way. Okay.
Okay. Okay. You have your paper folded. Now you fold again.
In two?
Yeah, in two.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So now you have this. And here you can see you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay?
Yeah.
And here it's solid. You take the outside, this, and you grab the two in the middle, okay?
The two in the middle.
Yes. Olivia, can you have it like this?
So is this correct? Yes. Okay. I have it like
Yes.
this.
Now, the ones on the outside,
Yes.
this one and this one, they're gonna go down. So,
Down.
whoa. Now, look at my fingers. They're holding this and this in the middle. You can do this.
Okay. Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
It's good?
Yes.
Now, ready?
Okay.
Now, stand back.
Okay.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna
Whack it.
Whack it, yeah. But I'll try it, okay?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh! It's so loud! 1, 2, 3. Oh! So loud. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is when it explodes, we want a firework here, okay? So we're gonna draw a firework. Olivia, did you draw your firework? Okay, look at inside. Aha! Here comes the surprise for me. I'll do first.
Yeah.
You do yours after. 1, 2, 3. Oh!
Nice. Okay.
What a nice firework.
My turn.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
3. Oh!
I didn't draw it. I put
That was
paper.
That was a good idea. That was an excellent idea. Bye everyone, have fun with this. Don't drive your parents crazy.